Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the diff command in the Linux and Unix systems. Alright people, let me now place myself in the correct directory. Let me navigate to this particular directory /home/prem/demo dir1 where I place all the files that I am creating for demonstration purposes. After navigating into that directory, I verify the same with pwd command. Okay. Now, let me start with the demonstration for the diff command people. The diff command is useful in the Linux and Unix systems for the purpose of reporting the differences between two different text files. Okay, I'll demonstrate people the diff command now. So I will now use the ls-l command to get a long listing for all the files in the current directory. Yeah, I've done that, and I do not have those two files that I'm going to create for this demonstration for the diff command. Let me create the first file, vi my file1. So I'm using the vi editor to create a file, a text file with the name my file1. Okay, and this is a brand new file that I'm creating, and I will add text like this people. Line 1 is the text that I added in this file. Let me save the changes in this file. I'll now create one more file with the name my file2 with the help of vi editor. So now I will go ahead and create this file with the name, the text file with the name my file2, and in this file I am going to add lines of text like this people. Line 1 in the first line, line 2 is the text in the second line. So in this file I have added two lines of text like this. Let me save the changes in this file. Okay, now let me read the content of the first file people, the file that I created first with the name my file1. There is only one line in that file. Oh, I'm sorry. There is only one line in that file with the name there is only one line in the file with the name my file1, and that line has this text line 1. And in the second file that I created with the name my file2, which is a text file, here I have two lines of text. Now in this kind of context, if I want to report the differences between two text files, I can always use the diff command for that purpose. So the diff command is a very useful one people for these kind of requirements, and I will tell you about a use case for the diff command along with the cp command in a later presentation. So now let me demonstrate the use of the diff command like this. Diff is the command followed by the names of the text files for which we want to report the differences now. Okay, so the first argument I mention my file1, and the second argument is my file2 in this example. And now when I run this command people, you can notice that the diff command will report the differences between these two text files with the names my file1 and my file2. Let me run the command, and you can notice that people, now it says the diff command output. Okay, so when I run this command, if we carefully look at the output people, it clearly indicates that the second file my file2 has a additional line with this text line 2, and this line of text is not available in the first file with the name my file1. Alright people, that's a brief introduction to the diff command, and in a later presentation I will demonstrate a use case scenario, a good use case scenario for the use of the diff command along with the cp command. Alright people, so with that I will conclude this presentation. Please subscribe to this channel and also share this channel If you find that this channel is useful to you in learning about Linux and related topics, thank you.